If you did this exact schedule for 30 days straight, you're going to be making so much money in wholesaling, it's going to feel illegal. The leads are going to be flowing in, the deals are going to be flowing in, and the craziest part, nobody else in the wholesaling space is crazy enough to go out here and do this. But here's the thing, what I'm telling you is not a secret. Like, it's plain boring. But boring makes money. No cold calling marathons, no crazy funnels, just a $20,000 a month wholesaling real estate business on autopilot completely for free. You see, what I found is wholesalers don't fail because of the work that they do or not knowing what to do. They always fail because they don't know how much to do and specifically for how long. And so I always believe that if you know how much leads you need to call and for how long to do it, you're almost guaranteed to be printing out money. You see, in 2026, speed is going to beat everything else. Consistency is the most important part. And if you can give volume too, so speed, consistency, and volume, you have the ultimate makings of a champion for wholesaling. So let me give you my 30-day game plan, my 4-week system to go out here and start making a ton of money in wholesaling real estate for the next 30 days so you can guarantee success and print as much money and deals so it feels illegal. They're gonna throw you in wholesaling jail, but you're gonna actually have a ton of success. But before we break it down, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So first and foremost, I assume you have no money at all, right? Like absolute zero budget. We'll talk at the end of this if you have a little bit of budget, what I'd recommend you do. But if you have absolute zero budget at all, let's break it all down. So we have currently about 4 weeks for this. So we have week 1, 2, week 3, and week 4. And so if you can go out here and accomplish week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4, you're going to get a wholesaling real estate deal. You're going to be printing money. It's going to feel illegal. But the thing is, you have to do it. So before I break down the info, you need to say, hey, I'm committing to this. I'm going to do it, and you're going to make it be done in your mind. You do not take a no as an excuse or an answer. You're going to actually get what I'm saying done. So we're going to make this really easy. So for week 1, we are going to warm the pipeline, which means we are going to go Spartan moment and only focus on 300 leads. That is it. Easy and simple. We are going to go out here and pull 100 probates, 100 drawing for dollars leads, and 100 code violations. What we're actually going to do here is we're just going to pull these lists and just call them. Easy as that. We're going to use our simple 2-question script. Hey, is this the owner of the property and are you interested in selling the house? If we have no money, we're going to use Google Voice for the dialer, cyber background checks, or truepeoplesearch.com to get their phone number. We're basically going to be pulling the leads and calling them. Easy as that for the first week. The point here is just getting our feet wet and wetting the pipeline, getting it ready to go and really getting it nice so we get all those leads coming in for the next couple weeks. But the problem is most wholesalers, and I'd say 80 to 90% of people watching this, they can't even get past week 1. And that's the biggest issue. So if we can get past this, we have a really good shot of having success. See, right now we're not trying to close sellers yet. We're just waking these sellers up, getting them ready to start going out here and crushing success. Now for week 2 here, we're gonna switch it up a little more. So for week 2, we're gonna focus on the same 300. We're gonna change one of the lists. So obviously we're gonna go to 100 probates, 100 code violations, but we're also gonna pull 100 pre-foreclosures. These are super motivated sellers that you get from the local clerk of the court website. And we're just going to call the probates like we have been. We're going to call 100 new code violations. Remember, the government is just churning out these leads every single dang day. I mean, I'll be honest, don't get me in trouble, but every single day somebody dies and that's a new probate. See, a lot of people say, Zach, you always say pull the probates. Like, it's like the same thing. Well, do people keep dying? Do people keep getting born? Go to the hospital right now and go to the maternity ward. You're seeing babies being popped out faster than they're popping Big Macs out of McDonald's. I don't know how all these people afford these kids, but they're popping them out really quick and a lot of them. And eventually these people unfortunately pass away and they all own real estate. So if you ever go, and I know I'm going to sound morbid, but like if you ever search your obituaries in your local city, every single day there's always going to be 20, 30, 40 new people that passed away and half of them own real estate. And what's going on with that house is just sitting there and you can make an offer to buy that property for cash and make a ton of money in wholesaling. That's why it sounds like what I'm saying is Zach always talks about the probates because people keep dying. You can quote me out, try to clip this out like crazy, but it's just a true statement. Same thing with code violation. Every single day properties start becoming ugly. People have financial situations and it changes. Every single day, something happens in someone's life where they can't pay the mortgage and down there in pre-foreclosure. And now the time is ticking. The time and clock has always been ticking on pre-foreclosures since the 1900s, the 1800s. Banks have been foreclosing people on their properties for hundreds of years. So when I say pre-foreclosures, you might hear me say it for a while, but it still doesn't stop the fact that 100 new people people this month in your city are going to lose their home to the big bad bank, destroy their credit, probably hurt them from getting another mortgage, when you can go out here, help them out, lock up the contract, avoid the foreclosure, sell it to a buyer, you make money, the seller's happy, you help them in their situation, and you make a ton of money while helping, like you're like Superman over here. So you might hear me say pre-foreclosure, you don't understand the urgency that how many of these new leads are being produced every single dang day. Like for example, let me go to the official records department and let's just go pull the list for the past, let's do 2 weeks. Okay, so if I go out here and search all the list pendences, so I go to list pendants and I just search it, look at this. This is all today. This is Palm Beach County today. These are all the people being foreclosed on their properties. Freedom Mortgage Corporation on this person right here. Again, it's blurred, but these are all properties. These are all people within the past couple days that are all getting their homes foreclosed on. And you can go out here and make an offer and buy the property for cash. And this is a week before anybody else can go out here and find it from any other wholesaling software. These are all people being foreclosed on. Planet Home Lending, the banks, HOAs, loan servicing companies, mortgage companies. You could be going out here and talking to these sellers and nobody, practically none of your competition is doing this because it's just too much work. You are losing out on so much dang money here. If I go back here on these court records and just go to document category and search probate, I mean, mama mia, look at all these estates and all these people that passed away and they all own real estate. These properties are just sitting there. These are 50, 60, 70, $80,000 deals. I'm screaming from the rooftops, but none of you guys are pulling this list. It's so much money. And if you're watching this and you have no money, this is a must for you. So I will tell you, pull these probates, pull the code violations, pull these pre-foreclosures. I would tell you though, do not call pre-foreclosures. I would go out here and actually text these people and you're going to be finding a ton of success. So this is week 2. So now we're getting some volume. We're building up our wholesaling muscles and we're probably going to start getting some traction here. Now to be a big, strong wholesaler like me with your marketing muscles, what do? You have to work the muscle out every single day, every single week. You can't take some days off. You're going to go all in right now. So going up here to week 3, we're going to start stacking our touches. So we're going to do our same 100 probates, our 100 drawing for dollars leads, and we're going to do our 100 code violations. And what we're going to do here is we're actually going to stack our marketing with these 300. And so this is when we start going from a little bit of marketing to a ton of lead flow. So all we're going to do is we're going to call and text all of these. So that should be approximately 200 probates. So 100 texts, 100 calls. It's about 600 reach outs that you're going to be doing here by week 3. It's going to give you a ton of leads. And I'm going to make it really simple. We're going to add this in. We're going to cross out for week 4. All we're going to do is we're going to add some sticky notes. So we're going to add 100 sticky notes also to this. So for the entire 4-week plan here, there's going to be no chance you don't make money wholesaling. Like, let me show you the damage you're going to be doing. Let me make this very clear. This whole program in 4 weeks, you're going to be making 1,000 calls, 1,100 text messages, and about 100 sticky notes on pure government lists. This is the equation to make you 20 grand a month wholesaling real estate, just printing money. It doesn't even seem fair because your competition and all these other wholesalers who are just trying to make 10 grand a month, they're going to be calling 10 or 20,000 people. You see, you have the sad little cold callers over here, right? This guy, he's super sad. He's got his phone and all he does is call all day on his phone and he's calling 12,000 people and he's barely getting any good success and any good leads. But you are only calling 1,000 people and getting even better success than him. Is that the reason why? Because you're using government lists, you're using niche data. That's how you start having a ton of traction and success. Now, the only other thing I would do to close this out is if you don't want to pull government data, what I'd probably recommend you do is I would just go to xleads.com. I'd go out here and do our SkyDrive AI, where you can do your AI drawing for dollars. And if you get like the Pro or the X plan, you get like a whole state. But what I'd probably do here is I'd SkyDrive AI 2,000 properties and just go out here and call it. I don't even have to mess with government lists. See, the thing with xleads.com, you don't need a pull government list anymore. It's kind of obsolete because the AI is going to drive for dollars for you with actual 4K satellites from the United States that the US military uses and Tesla and all these big companies. Not Google Maps. It's different. There's 5 satellites xLeads uses to take real-time data of every property in America, give it a score from 0 to 100. I'd probably pull anything, probably an 80 or above. And I would just get at least 2,000 of these and just call them in your market and boom, like you're going to get a deal from 2,000, probably 1,000. Let's call it 2,000. That'll make it 20 grand too. But obviously that's like a 5-second. So I'm not going to do like a 5-second video on here, but I'd probably tell you that that's another way to just print money. Just go to xleads.com, use our AI drawing for dollars. It starts at like $97 a month for the entire software and you're going to have a ton of success. So guys, Printing money and making money in wholesaling real estate so it feels illegal is not that difficult. All you have to be doing is doing what the competition just refuses to do. So your competition doesn't know about the AI drawing for dollars yet on xleads.com. Probably a lot of them do, but there's still a lot of people that don't have xleads, even though it's one of the biggest wholesaling real estate software. So I'd get on top of that now. And like always, no one's going out here and going to the county and actually pulling the actual raw data. Too much work for most people. That's where you're going to be different and you're going to be having a ton of success. So guys, if you're ready to start making stupid, crazy money in wholesaling real estate, do me a favor. Make sure you start pulling this list, doing this 4-week game plan, and make sure you join my free real estate wholesaling school group, freewholesaling.com, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.